Hey everyone, I'm Northern Explorer. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be replacing the 6-circuit fuse block that came with my 4-wheel camper Hawk shell with this 12-circuit fuse block made by Blue Sea Systems.
One thing I can see right away is that these are all blade connectors and these are all ring terminal connectors. So right off the bat, I think I'm in for a little more work than I thought. So I think my plan is I'm not gonna mess with the negative bus bar that they got going on here. I'm just gonna have a jumper going from this negative bus bar to the negative bus bar on the Blue Sea panel. And then all I'm gonna do is transfer these 6 circuits over to the new one. I think that's gonna be my easiest thing to do. So I got the old one off. I'm gonna take this piano hinge support off to give me a little more space, and then I'm gonna put this one in like so. There's a couple of wires I'm gonna upgrade, but for the most part I'm just gonna leave it as it is. And I don't have my battery in here, so I'm just gonna hope it all works, and I guess I'll test it on my first camping trip this year. So I'm only replacing one wire. They had a little jumper wire going from their main ground bus bar to here, but this was only grounding this one device coming off of the battery separator. So I've upgraded the wire to a 12 gauge, which should be enough to handle all the amperage that's going to be going through this. So a little before and after, I now have 6 places to plug in new circuits for anything that I plan on adding, and all of the lower circuits are the pre-existing circuits that 4-wheel camper had. So just got to pop the cover on there. And there we have it. That looks much better.
That's it for this one. Like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time.